Thanks for watching our video on Nebraska Lease and Landlord-Tenant laws. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and landlord tips. Landlords need to know their state's laws to manage their rental well. To help you do that, here's an overview of landlord-tenant laws in the Cornhusker State. The lease agreement is the foundation of the landlord-tenant relationship. It's a legally binding contract between a landlord and tenant that outlines the terms of the rental relationship. A standard lease agreement is a one-year, fixed-term contract. A Nebraska lease should include basic terms like rent amount, rent due date, lease term, late fee policies, and pet policies. To fully protect landlords, it should also cover details like pest control, snow removal, air filter responsibilities, and yard maintenance. Nebraska Leases also must provide the name of all agents authorized to enter the property and a name and address for official notices. Landlords of rental units built before 1978 must provide tenants with a lead-based paint disclosure and pamphlet.
Next, let's talk about some important Nebraska Landlord-Tenant laws. Landlords may charge up to 1 month's rent for the security deposit. The deposit must be returned to the tenant within 14 days of the end of the tenancy. Nebraska landlords must provide at least 24 hours notice before entering the property for non-emergencies. There is no limit on how much landlords can charge for late fees, but they should be reasonable and discussed in the lease agreement. Landlords may require tenants to get renters insurance and can make failure to do so a breach of the lease agreement. Returned payment fees cannot exceed $10 and should be discussed in the lease agreement. Fixed-term leases terminate at the end of the period unless otherwise stated. Either party can terminate a month-to-month lease agreement with 30 days' notice. Nebraska has no limits on rent increases. However, the lease should discuss the procedure and notice requirements for increasing rent.
Landlords must provide tenants with a safe and habitable rental unit. They must make repairs within 14 days and keep rental units in good condition. If a landlord fails to make necessary repairs or to provide essential services, tenants may withhold rent, file suit against the landlord, or move out until the necessary repairs are made. If a tenant fails to pay rent or violates the lease agreement, the landlord may start the eviction process. In these situations, landlords must strictly follow Nebraska law and can never resort to self-help eviction methods, such as changing locks or shutting off utilities. Congratulations! You're ready to create a Nebraska lease and manage your rental unit. Our lease agreement automatically includes all required disclosures and gives you state assist tips as you build it. It's easy to customize online and offers unlimited access to our electronic signing tool, EasySign. As you manage your rental, remember that we have over 400 property management forms, including Nebraska-specific forms. Visit easylandlordforms.com to start your tenant screening and create a lease agreement guaranteed to comply with all Nebraska lease laws.